Welcome to Doris Fit channel, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe on the red button showing on the video screen, and also please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. This channel is all about fitness, lifestyle, is all about wellness, how to improve your health, DIY therapies you can do at home just to take care of yourself, to look good and be healthy. So today I'm going to be talking about avocado pear seed benefit. Is actually good for women who are having infertility issues. This seed is really a miracle seed. You might not know much of its benefits, so I'm going to reveal most of the benefits to you. It's good for infertility problem, both for the man and the woman. What you just need to do is just to sun dry this seed and go and grind it to smoothly grind it and use it. Take 1 tablespoon every morning. You can add it to your meal. You can add it to your pap or to your drink. Just take 1 tablespoon, mix it properly with your pap or your tea, and drink it. Before you know what is going on, you have your ovulation and you'll be pregnant and you'll give birth to a bouncing baby girl or boy. So guys, and it's also good for people who have cholesterol, people who have diabetes. It reduces your cholesterol level. It also reduces your if you are very hypertensive, it's very good for you. It's also a weight loss remedy. You can use it for weight loss. You can use it to reduce weight alongside with your training. Please, this video is a very short video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Tell me what you feel about this video. Ask me questions, and I'm going to be teaching you more